Good day, dear students. I'm Amir Hafiz Malik, and our topic is one more time paragraph writing. Today, we'll be focusing on three major points. We will be talking about number one, what is the main idea in a paragraph? Number two, what is topic sentence in a paragraph? And number three, what are the supporting sentences in a paragraph? So, get ready. First of all, we would love to discuss main idea. Main idea is the most important or central idea of a paragraph. So the key point of main idea is that it is the central idea of a paragraph, and central idea means which is the most important idea of a paragraph. It is in the center and the rest of the sentences are developed around that sentence. It describes the theme. No, the main idea contains the theme, the topic, the subject which is going to be explained in the paragraph is contained by the main idea. The main idea of a paragraph can be found in the topic sentence of the paragraph. So if you want to locate where is the main idea of the paragraph in the sentences of the paragraph, as we have already defined paragraph as a combination of sentences, as a group of connected sentences. So for the location of the main idea, we can easily say that the main idea is found in the topic sentence of a paragraph, which is usually the first sentence of the paragraph. So out of the main idea, we find that it is the central idea, it describes the theme, and it is found in the topic sentence. So again, I would love to repeat the summary, the one-liner of the concept of main idea is that it contains the theme, or it is the central idea of the whole paragraph. I hope you would have understood it clearly. So if you have a good idea of main idea, then the rest of the sentences like the topic sentences and the supporting sentences can become very easy for you to understand. Now let's move to the most important aspect of paragraph writing, which is called topic sentence. Topic sentence tells the topic. A sentence that tells the topic is called, like the topic itself is, the title itself is self-explanatory. It says the sentence that tells the topic is topic sentence, or topic sentence tells you the topic. Topic sentence is the statement of the main idea, as we have already studied that main idea is found in the topic sentence. So we are continuing with the same thought, that topic sentence is the statement of the main idea. This means the main idea is expressed through the topic sentence. Under the statement, all other material in the paragraph, for example, the examples, the reasons, the facts, the details, and the other evidences can fit. The topic sentence is such a major sentence, such a key sentence, that it gives room for the other sentences, which are called the supporting sentences, to fit into it, and the material like the examples, the figures, the reasons, the details, the data, the facts, or the details or the evidences that can fit into the topic sentence. Number two, very important point, location of the topic sentence. Where can you find, or where can a reader find the topic sentence in the paragraph? Topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph, but not always. So you have to keep 2 points in mind while you're focusing on the location of the topic sentence. In a very short paragraph, like I've already quoted, of a 5-sentence paragraph, it is compulsory that the first sentence is going to be the topic sentence, but not always means. Number two, not always means that it is not, maybe it is the second sentence, maybe it is the third sentence. That depends on the paragraph writer, that depends on how the material is developed by the paragraph writer. So in a very short paragraph of 5 sentences, it is easily the first sentence which is going to be the topic sentence, but in a lengthy paragraph, it is possible that the writer takes the second or the third sentence to write the topic sentence. For example, we are living in the age of technology. So this is a topic sentence and it explains the age of technology. So we are living in the age of technology. That means that the rest of the sentences, which are going to be the supporting sentences of the paragraph, would be about how we are living in the age of technology, how technology is involved in some of the aspects of our lives. Number 2 example is, pollution is harmful for human health. Now, in this paragraph, we'll be looking at the reasons or the causes, what health harms are caused by the pollution. So you can easily see that these two sentences, which are the example of topic sentence, are the most dominant, and they express the main idea or the central idea, and the rest of the sentences, which are going to be the examples or the reasons or the facts or the details or explanation, can easily be created around these statements. I hope it is easy for you to understand. Finally, we move towards the supporting sentences. Supporting sentences support the main idea by giving details and the explanations. So it is easy to explain supporting sentences in the sense that we can call them the explanation sentences or the detailed sentences. So the sentences that describe the detail of a paragraph, that give you the explanation of the topic, are called the supporting sentences. Yes, they support to develop the main idea, and that is why they are called the supporting sentences. The supporting sentences are usually in the middle of the text. So they are basically the body of the text, because we are saying it in the middle because before the supporting sentences there is going to be the topic sentences, and after the supporting sentences there is going to be the conclusion statement or the concluding sentence. So therefore, in between parts, so if you take sentence 1 as topic sentence and sentence 5 as the concluding sentence, so the 3 sentences in between, which are sentence number 2, 3 and 4, will naturally be called the supporting sentences. What is their role is that they clarify, explain, describe, expand and illustrate the main idea. So yes, this is very easy to understand that if we want to give clarification of the topic, we can use supporting sentences in paragraph writing. If we want to explain the topic, we can use the supporting sentences. If we want to describe something, yes, we can use the supporting sentences. If we want to expand or enlarge the idea, naturally we can use the supporting sentences. Now I would like to give you some of the idea of what supporting materials or supporting sentences can be in a paragraph. Number 1, comparisons. So comparison sentences are naturally the supporting sentences. The contrast sentences, the figure sentences, the graph, chart, table and diagrams, they are the supporting materials. Any quotations used in a paragraph is a supporting material. Descriptions are the supporting materials. Examples are the supporting materials. Causes and effects given in the paragraph would be termed as the supporting sentences, and facts can be called the supporting sentences. So the sentences that are involved or the sentences that convey the senses of comparison, contrast, figures, graph, charts, tables and diagrams, or quotation, description, example, cause and effects, and facts are going to be called the supporting materials for a paragraph. So I have explained today the concept of paragraph on 3 major points. I have focused. Number 1, I have explained what is the main idea. Number 2, I have explained what is a topic sentence, and number 3, I have also explained the supporting sentences. And now it would be very easy for you to understand the concept of paragraph, and you can write very good paragraphs on your behalf as well. So आज पैराग्राफ राइटिंग के मौजू पर मैंने आपसे 3 बातें की हैं. पहले मैंने आपको बताया मेन आइडिया क्या होता है, इसे हम सेंट्रल आइडिया कहते हैं, इसके अंदर थीम मौजूद होता है. फिर मैंने बताया टॉपिक सेंटेंस क्या होता है. नॉर्मली पहला जुमला जो होता है उसे टॉपिक सेंटेंस कहते हैं, क्योंकि इसका उन्वान ही टॉपिक सेंटेंस है. तो इसका मेन रोल ये होता है कि हमें टॉपिक बताता है और हमें मेन आइडिया या थीम बता देता है. और फिर हमने बात की सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस क्या होते हैं. वो सेंटेंसेस जो मदद करते हैं वजाहत में, तशरीह में, उसे हम सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. ये पैराग्राफ की टेक्स्ट में अगर आप 5 सेंटेंसेस का पैराग्राफ लिखते हैं तो उसमें पहला आपका टॉपिक सेंटेंस होगा और 5वां आखिरी आपका कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंस होगा, और दरमियान के 3 जो जुमले सेंटेंसेस होंगे वो आपके सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस होंगे. इसकी कुछ मिसालें मटेरियल की मैंने आपको दी, जैसे कंपैरिजन है, कंट्रास्ट है, फिगर्स हैं, चार्ट्स, टेबल, डायग्राम्स हैं, या डिस्क्रिप्शंस हैं, या कोई कोटेशंस हैं. یا ایگزامپلس ہیں یا فیکٹس جو بیان کیے جاتے ہیں وہ آپ کے سپورٹنگ مٹیریلز ہوتے ہیں. آئی ہوپ یو وڈ ہیو انجوائڈ دس لیکچر. تھینک یو ویری مچ.